What if I told you that just 20% of your effort could create 80% of your results? It sounds almost unbelievable, but this idea is at the heart of something called the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule. This principle pops up everywhere from business to schoolwork and even in your daily routines. Today, we're diving into how this simple concept can change the way you approach your goals. Let's start by understanding what the Pareto principle really means and why it's so powerful in everyday life. Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, is a simple but powerful idea. It means that in many situations, a small portion of your inputs leads to most of your outcomes. For example, 20% of your study topics might give you 80% of your exam marks. In business, 20% of customers often generate 80% of profits. Even in your daily tasks, just a few key actions can drive most of your productivity. This pattern shows up again and again, reminding us that not all efforts are equal. By spotting the most important tasks, you can make a huge difference with less effort. Let's make this real with a student example. Imagine you have 10 chapters to study for an exam. Usually just 2 or 3 of those chapters carry most of the weight in your final grade. If you can identify and master those key chapters first, your results can improve dramatically even if you don't have time to study everything. This is the magic of the 80-20 rule in action. It's not about working harder or longer, but about working smarter. By focusing on what matters most, you can get better results with less stress and effort. Real secret behind the Pareto principle isn't about doing more work, it's about doing the right work. When you focus your energy on the most important tasks, you get more done in less time. This approach can help you in school, at work, and in your personal life. Remember, focus beats effort. By applying the 80-20 rule, you can achieve more by working smarter, not harder. So next time you're faced with a long to-do list, ask yourself, which 20% will give me 80% of the results?